welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, we're going to be looking at how we can nest our audio. On this video, we can see we have 3 audios here. Each of them has their own effect to the clip I have here. Yeah, and if you are wondering how I achieve this kind of stretch in this audio, I will suggest you watch the next video I'm going to drop after this. This video is meant for audio nest. So how do we do it? Now, since I have this here, the next thing I want to do is I want to create an adjustment layer. Right now, if I highlight this and I right click on it, I'm unable to have the nest. So I want to have a layer, adjustment layer. So I just come down here, click on adjustment layer. So I'm good with default setting. I don't need to worry about that because it's going to be the same size of what I have in my sequence by default. So since I have it here, I just want to drag it. Yeah, so I have it here. Now I'm going to stretch it to reach out to the audio. Yeah, I'm not worried about the video, I'm worried about the audio. So it's going to stretch out to the audio size. So once I have this here now, a quick one, let me play this video so you can see, you can feel the sound effect. So I was able to, bring out different sound effects to match it and make it look more cinematic. So that's going to be for another video tutorial entirely. So now that I have this adjustment layer on it, so I want to highlight my audio. Then I'm going to hold on to my shift to select the adjustment layer with it. So once I have that, I'll come to my audio, I'll right click on it. Then you can see the nest. So here you can leave it this way, you can name it. I suggest you name it so it doesn't mix up with other nests if you have it. So I'm going to name this one sound effect. Alright, so now I have it in my project here. I want to get rid of sound, the audio here, as well as the adjustment layer I have here. So back to the clip itself. Now I want to drag this adjustment to my sequence, but mind you, this icon needs to be active. All right, you need to make sure this icon is active. So now I'm going to drag it down here. You can see I have the audio in just a single line. So here I want to unlink them so I can get rid of the clip. Yeah, so right, so now you can see I only have just one audio right now, and as well I can adjust it. If I double click on it, it takes me to this area where I can see each of the audio I have, the music, the background music, the sound effects, the mixer, and the adjustment layer I have. So I can decide to adjust the audio here if I want to. So once I'm done with that, I can close it and go back to the main sequence. So it's no more than this. If you find this video helpful, kindly like this video, and if it's your first time being on my channel, please subscribe, turn on your notification, and I will see you in the next video. Stay creative.